Initiation is such a subtle thing. Even if you miss one instruction or one line, you will miss it. This is the essence of last 6 days. And based on this only the whole next part is going to be built. Initiation into my main contribution. You see, still now you are only a kind of a follower. Now only I am committing with you through this initiation. That officially a devotee or a disciple or whatever. Or now only I take responsibility for your enlightenment. It's such a important moment. See, it is only 10 instruction, nothing. 10 statement I will make, that's all. But you need to just completely grasp that and just understand. Each statement should click with you. For that you need to be aware. And not only that, after initiation, I will be guiding you into that process. If you fall asleep, it is a too big missing. See, initiation is like a, how in the Indian villages they will take you to see the girl before marriage. In the first sight it has to click, that's all. In the first sight, if you miss it, after that it will always be that hanging. That will be there. That time itself I told you I don't like this girl. I didn't want this marriage. You understand? So the initiation should be clicking in the first sight. When I guide you first, it should click. That unclutching should happen. I prepared you for last 3 days for this only. I'm going to make only 10 statements. That 10 statements should ring in your ears when you go through the process. Please listen with attention. No need to meditate now. Open your eyes and listen attentively. First statement. Your mind is responsible for all the happenings and experiences of your life. Second, your mind is nothing but too many thoughts put together. Third, if you can know the science of killing one thought at a time, you won the game. One thought at a time. You won the game with mind. Fourth statement. Whenever a thought rises in you, just tell yourself, let me unclutch from it. Not suppress, no. Just let me unclutch from it. How? In the car, when you change the gear, unclutching happens, then the next gear, it falls. Unclutch from it. Next statement. When you say you are unclutching, for milliseconds, you will have kind of a silence. Then again next thought will come. Again, let me unclutch from it. Then, after a few minutes, this thought, let me unclutch itself will become one more thought. Unclutch from that also. Then you may feeling bored, feeling like sleeping. Unclutch from that also. Sit with full of life. Don't allow even one thought pass over your space unattended. Please understand. These are the instructions now. Do not allow single thought pass your inner space without your notice. The moment you note it, the moment you catch it, unclutch. In the beginning, use the word unclutching in your inner space. Later on, you will learn the science of using the mood of unclutching. You don't even need to use the word unclutching. Now, use the word unclutching. Clear? Any doubt? Unclutch from it. Any questions? Unclutch from it. That's all is initiation. That's all, understand. I think this is the most shortest initiation I have given. But I know this is going to be the most powerful initiation. Because if I say too many word stories, when you now sit with your eyes closed and work on initiation, you will, all those words will be ringing in your heads. No. I want minimum words. If you feel bored, unclutch from that too. If you are feeling tired, unclutch from that. Feeling sleepy, unclutch from that. Unclutch from everything. Let you be unclutched.
Putting all my trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion. Your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection. Nityananda.